One of the things that we've done with the inauguration is a new initiative, which is part of the incident command structure. It's called a MAC. It's a multi-agency coordination center. We're actually co-locating the MAC here in our emergency operations center for the inauguration. The MAC is actually going to be comprised of multiple state agencies as well as a lot of the regional emergency managers, including Arlington, Prince William County, Loudoun County, obviously Fairfax County. But in addition to that, we also have state agencies such as the Virginia Department of Emergency Management, State Police, Virginia Department of Transportation, Virginia Department of Health, and multiple others. On large events like this, and in particular the inauguration, we started actually in July of 2012. We had a work group put together. OEM, Office of Emergency Management, was designated as the lead for the county to help coordinate all the activities within Fairfax County, as well as the personnel that were being detailed to the district for the event. We're coordinating all of the information that goes out for the inauguration and anything else that may happen from the Virginia side of the house here in our EOC and the JIC. And then the coordination from there goes into the District of Columbia with the other MACs and things like that. We do have a great collaborative effort going on, again, not only in Fairfax County with the county agencies, but all the regional partners and state agencies and things like that. We're very fortunate here in Fairfax County, and I think what we're going to see on Monday is hopefully a very quiet event. A little bit chilly outside, but I think overall we're going to be in good shape. So if something should happen, we're going to be ready for it.